student. Today we will discuss about first lesson on computer. Already you know what is computer, but then also it's my responsibility to explain each and everything. So directly we start our first lesson, that is computer system and overview. So in that first we will learn some basic things. So basic things start from the very first definition, that is what is computer. So I will draw one structure here. You know it already student, but then also I will draw here. So simple structure I am drawing here student. This is our shape of computer. One again device I connected, and last one is again same. See student, this corner, how it look like? So it look like user. User means we. We know that each and every time computer needs instructions. Computer needs command. Who will give that instruction and command? Automatically computer will never start. So who will give instruction and commands? So only user. User means we. We will give instruction or command to computer. That's why I drawn two user here. Okay. After that I connected one input device. Okay. What is the input? What is the output? That I will also explain. Just focus on today's topic. So input means through the user we will give some commands or instruction. Then here process will happen, and last one result will generate. Our first topic is what is computer. Now understand the complete structure. Now I am telling the definition of computer. So see student, what is computer? Computer is an electronic device which accepts the data or commands or instruction from user with the help of input devices. Then complete data will pass to the computer. Means it will performing some processes or some operation, and then it will generate the result for user, and user will accept that result with the help of these output devices. So this complete structure is known as computer. Again I am repeating, what is computer? Computer is an electronic device which accepts the data from input device. It will transfer to the computer for the processing, and after the processing it will generate the result for user, and user will accept that result with the help of these output devices. So complete structure is known as computer. Now I am using two words, input device and output device. So now I will discuss about that. What is the input device and what is output device? Input device. So see student, input device. Just now I tell through the command or the command or instruction or data will transfer to the computer with the help of input devices. So what is the meaning of input device? So focus on it. Input device, through which we are providing data or command or instruction to computer. Through which we are providing data or instruction or commands to computer is known as input device. Some devices we are using through which we are providing data or instruction or commands to computer is known as input devices. The example of input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner. So all these are three main input devices. Again I am telling you, what is the input device? Through which we are providing data or instruction or commands to computer is known as input devices. And the example of input devices are keyboard, mouse and scanner. Now Next is, what is output device? What is output device? So same, through which user will accept the result from computer. Through which user will accept the result from computer. This is our computer. Now computer will give the result to user. So simple. What is the output device? Through which user will accept the result from computer is known as output device. And the best example of output devices are monitor, printer and speaker. So these are our output devices. Input device, through which user will provide data to computer, and output device, through which user will accept the data from computer. So these are the input device and output device. And one more point is there, that is, what is the processing device? Process means what? Simply some operation we will provide on user. Simply we will performing some operation on user provided data. So that is our processing device. Process device. So what is that process device? Through which we are performing number of operation on the data. So who will performing that processes? So only CPU will capable to perform the number of operation on the data. So CPU is a processing device through which we are providing we are performing number of operation on user provided data. So that device is known as process device. And one of the best example of process device is CPU. So these are the basic concepts, student, that I explained here. Now we will move to our main topic, that is how does computer will work. So this basic introduction I am giving you today. Now today's main topic is how does computer will work. How does computer work? So these are our main today's topic. So see student, computer mostly depend on four main component. Computer mostly depend on four main components. First one is a keyboard. Second one is mouse. Third one is monitor. And last one is CPU. So these are the basic four components on which our computer is depend. Keyboard and mouse, just now I told, that are the input device. Monitor is an output device and CPU is a processing device. So one by one I will take the information about it, but I will explain this concept in next lecture. So till that, just basic knowledge you have to remember, that is, first concept was what is a computer, then in that what is input device, what is output device and what is process device. So next lecture I will discuss about main topic, that is how does our computer will work. So 4 points are there, that is computer will completely depend on that 4 component. 4 component I already told you, that is 4 main components of computer are keyboard, mouse, monitor and CPU. So till that, just learn basic information. Next time I will discuss about the components of computer. Thank you student.